Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video we're going to look at how to use the Avada Popover element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Popover element is one of the inline elements provided with Avada. These elements can only be used in conjunction with other text-based elements. For more information on inline elements, please see the links below the video. I'll just select this text on the landing product page Prebuilt and the inline editor appears. With the plus button at the end, I can access and add any of the inline elements. I'll select Popover. The options dialog comes up and we can see that what we have selected is the triggering content. This is colored as a link on the page to show that the text is active. The next option down is Popover heading. Popovers have a heading area and a content area. I'll give this one a heading of Hello Dick Tracy. The content inside Popover is next, and I'll just paste some dummy text in here for this example. This is meant just for plain text. Okay, the next option is Popover trigger method, and here you can choose from hover or click. I think I'll go with hover. The Popover position is next. The default is currently set to top, but here I'm going to choose left. The other two options here are CSS class and CSS ID if you want to target this element with some custom CSS. There is also a design tab where we can style our Popover content. We can change the heading background color, the content area background color, the border color, and the Popover text color, which controls both the heading and the content text. I might just change the heading background color to color 4, the background color to color 6, the border to color 8, and the text to color 1. Okay, if we mouse over our text now, we can see the Popover with a subtle drop shadow and the content and colors we selected. Nice. If you want to edit or remove your Popover, simply right click on the text and you can reset to default, edit or delete the element. Okay, that's it for this Avada short. If you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.